Hello beautiful souls, how are you all doing? I hope you liked my last video, and if you are still not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that right away. So today I'm going to do an unboxing video for you all. Basically I have a deck with me which I just bought from the Warden Book House, which is called as the Blessed Bee Oracle cards. These are basically mystical cards which have been designed by Lucy Cavendish. So we are going to unbox this beautiful card deck today, and then also do a mini pick a card reading where I will just tell you what are your blessings right away from the universe. So let's start the unboxing video. I have not opened the deck, I have just taken out the paper, and I'm also going to do the unboxing with you all together. So let's start. It is a sturdy kind of a box, and it comes with an amazing big booklet which has a unicorn feel to it. It has a good background, and it has a good front cover and the back cover. The artwork is really good, and it is the size is bigger than the general oracle cards, the book card as well. So now let's start with it. See, like I told you, I have not opened the deck. I am opening it in front of you. So I am keeping this aside, and one by one I am bringing the cards in front of you. The first card is the blessing of the earth. The second is the blessing of the air. The third is the blessing of the fire. And then a blessing on your day. What a beautiful card to get. A blessing on your sleep. Wow. See the artwork, they are just amazing. Moon, flowers and the owl. A blessing on the sense of the gift of the world to you. Wow, what a card to get for intuition. It has the crystal ball and the animal spirit. So beautiful these cards are. Blessing on your health. So I am just showing you the cards in detail, and then we will be doing a mini pick a card reading to understand what blessings are coming on our way. See what beautiful artwork and what beautiful blessings. The author or the maker of this card deck has just beautifully done the artwork, chosen the color very beautifully, and even the card size are larger than the normal oracle cards. Wow, blessing of the protection, and what colors she has chosen. So now we have the blessing to find the truth, blessing for right words, blessing for a resolution, blessing to heal a relationship. Wow, you have like pink flowers, you have the purple light. It's just so pretty. Wow, a blessing to lift sadness. So I think the author has chosen the words very carefully and very appropriately, and she has just covered everything. You name a blessing and it has in this deck. A blessing for fresh start, blessing to bring clarity, a blessing on your wisdom, blessing for support, a blessing for healing injury or illness, blessing for those who are near their final breath, a blessing on a homecoming, a blessing to shield and safeguard. What a blessing to get. And blessing of peace after battle. So yes, these were the cards. Now what we'll do is we'll do a mini pick a card reading for you guys. Yeah, so guys, these are the three options that we have to choose from. This is for pile 1. So this is pile 1, this beautiful crystal. See if you can resonate with pile 1 crystal. The second crystal is this, the tiger's eye crystal. So this is like the second crystal, and the third crystal that we have is the amethyst. see if you can resonate with this. So I'm again keeping this here, and you will see a shot of these three crystals here. Just close your eyes and meditate on these crystals and see, open your eyes and see the crystal which you are drawn to. Are you drawn to the first crystal, second crystal, or the third crystal? If you are confused, then you can probably put up chits 1, 2 and 3, and you can just pick up a card, pick up a chit and draw that card. Also, if you are resonating with one then more crystal, there might be 2 blessings coming your way. So now let's begin for the pile 1. A blessing on your love. What a beautiful card to get. This is the month of love, and you are getting the blessing on your love. So it means that your relationships with your loved ones and your near ones is going to strengthen. Also, if there are any irritations with your loved ones, or if you are having any arguments with your loved ones currently, I see them also getting resolved. Also, I see there is a universe is going to protect your loved ones. It's going to be shielded is what I can see. And also, if people are finding new love, I think they are going to be blessed with new love coming. Also, I see some of you might go towards retreat, go towards nature with your loved ones. This is what I can see. So yes, group 1, pile 1, this was your mini pick a card reading. I hope you liked it. If you did, and if you did resonate, please go ahead and leave in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to read and reply to your comments. We are going to do pick a pile reading, pick a card reading for group 2. So this was the crystal that you had chosen, Tiger's Eye, and now I'm going to keep this aside and do and pick a card for you guys. Pile 2, blessing of the air, which means you are kind of going to breathe fresh air. You are going to be surrounded by the nature. You are probably going to exercise or do more activities in open air. Also, I see if you have any confusion in your mind, that is going to get cleared. You will have clarity of things. You will have clarity of thoughts. Any mind fog that you had, or things that were not moving forward in your life, that are also going to get resolved, and things are going to move forward in life. Also, the cards, what I can see and interpret, and what's coming to me is that you need to start having healthy and leafy vegetables, or eat healthy. You might have been eating junk a lot these days, so start eating healthy or start eating mindfully is what I'm getting. Also, I can see is that don't harm insects, or don't harm animals unnecessarily. If you do, you might just get those repercussions. Also, I get a thing that you might work with symbols, and they might help you, symbol magic or sigils. Work with them and you are going to probably get benefited. So group 2, this was your reading. I hope you resonated, and if you did, please leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to respond to that. See you in my next video. So pile 3, this is the crystal that you had chosen, and now let's pick up a card for you. I'm going to keep this aside. Wow, what a beautiful card to get, pile 3. You had chosen amethyst, which is a crystal of protection also. I know it is more towards intuition, but amethyst also protects you in some way. And you have got the card of a blessing to shield and safeguard you. So here the angels, the universe are telling you that you are being protected, you are being shielded from the negative energies around, from anything that is not serving you purpose. This also means that you can connect with Archangel Michael, who is the angel for protection. You can call upon Archangel Michael anytime, and he is always going to be there to safeguard and shield you. Also, I am getting a message that this the sword that you can see here, which will cut all the negative cords, all the it will cut all the cords with people, things and situations that are not serving you. And also I can see that you are going to get a reality check. A lot of things are going to come to you in black and white. If people have hidden things from you, you will also get to see the real picture of that thing. So basically reality is going to strike you, and don't worry about anybody giving you any kind of negative impact. You are also probably, if you are currently stuck in a place where you are feeling trapped or you're not feeling good emotions, you are going to be lifted from that place, or you might go to better place. It might be that you might go for some change, for a vacation, and get some space for your own self. That is also what I am getting. Also, the cards are telling me that if you kind of do certain mandala exercises or coloring exercises, it's going to probably help you calm your mind and distract you from overthinking, because overthinking can also lead to negative emotions. So in this way the angels are guiding you that you can probably channelize your energy better by doing mandala or painting or any creativity. Also, I can see that you need to drink more water. That is also probably drain you, keep you fresh and drain all the negativity or the lower energies. Also, your mood swings are also going to be kind of reduced. I see that also happening. So yes, group 3, this was your pick a card reading from this unboxing video. I hope you liked and resonated, and if you did, please leave a comment below and I will be more than happy to come back to you and chat with you. Thank you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the mini pick a card reading and also liked this mini review of the Blessed Bee cards. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Also share and like this video with your friends and family. It will mean a lot. And as I always say, be kind, be non-judgmental, and always care and love unconditionally. See you until my next video. Take care.